Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? We have such an amazing release being officially announced on June 1st, but we thought because it's so amazing and because there's a bundle for our club members, we should probably do a live release. So the live release is going to be May 31st. It's a Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. And yeah, you know, we'll have a chat contest here or there. And I will get to show you live the brand new release. And you know what? It's a doozy. I'm just saying, it's a doozy. It's such a doozy, we're doing a live release. You got to check it out. Don't forget, it's going to be on YouTube and Facebook, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, Wednesday, May 31st. And you know what? I hope you go and tune in because it's going to be great. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.